Ho! The dog them have to live.
Fuck a bag of gal inna them all and who no like how we just live.
Wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a one Masicka senior.
One Gaza, you know it. Go.
I mean, genocide. A family this, remember, we put friend aside.
Alright.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, I don't know, you know, Media Fox, you know. I don't know a thing set. You see it. Yeah, man, so people are baiting a go on the media, cause you don't know a Gaza thing and the Crux thing a war. Cause you don't know them put up for Mobo Awards, you know. You understand? Mobo Awards, so the Mobo Awards, you don't know, Best Caribbean Music Act. Yeah, so people want to tell me in a comment, you know, who you think I go win? Either the Crux them or the Gaza them. You understand? So look here now. These are some requirements. So you have the comment section to tell me who you think would have win. See? So look here now. Unique voice and style. You know that. Good songwriting or freestyle ability. Catchy melodies. Strong delivery and flow. Ability to perform live. So people, that a category one, you know. Strong musical talent. So, you know, tell me who have the more strength out of the list there. You understand? So look here now, number few. Hit songs. So from the whole of 2025, yeah, we're going to talk about hit song. We're not talk about a hot song. See? So look here now. Strong songs that chart well. So which one of the artists them chart well? Right? High streams and downloads for 2025. Who tap that? Seeing? Songs play on radio. Yeah, man, I know that one there too. So we have the comment section. Songs that go viral, TikTok, reel, etc. So basically when I read out of the requirements for the award, the Best Caribbean Music Act. You understand? So them say it's visibility, impact. So look at now, number 3. Consistency. Regular release. Remember, you know, people. When you go and add up on the tally and thing and make me know what I go on at the comment. So you say regular release. Long-term relevance. Multiple successful projects. Growth over time. So you tell me in a 2025, you know, where that go on. You understand? Alright, number 4, culture impact. Seeing? Represent Caribbean culture globally. Seeing? So either out of the Crux or the Gaza. Yeah, the list is here. So them say influence slangs, fashion, or lifestyle. Set trend, not follow them. Make people proud of their island. People, the culture impact, who you think the Crux or the Gaza. You understand? Because it cause a bag of problem in the media, you know. So I say, yo, we have to make people them know who you think would have win. So it's a number 5 now, international reach. Seeing fans outside the Caribbean. So who have the most fans outside of the Caribbean? International tours. In a 2025, who do the international tours? Global collaborations. In a 2025, who do the global collaborations? Billboard or international chart presence. Who get that last year? Alright, number 6. Awards and recognition. Seeing? It's optional, but you don't know it powerful, see me. Alright. Local awards. International nominees. Industry respect. Media recognition. So who tapped that last year? You understand? So look at now, number 7. Strong fan base. Loyal supporters. Strong social media followers. People who show up to shows. Real engagement. Not fake numbers. So people who should know out of the 2 artists them. You understand? So look at now. Professionalism. Seeing? So reliable. You understand? Reliable. On time. Seeing? Easy to work with. Business minded. You see me? So them say brand concrete. Let's say now people. So all of that a late listener. Remember, talent alone isn't enough. Business matters. So people, una go tell me, out of that list there, where una think. You understand? Who you think top that list there? You see me? Who you think win the list them? Cause the people them want to know, You see it. So these are the requirements where you have to tap, forget, to win the award. You understand? Yeah, these are the criteria, you don't know. Strong musical talent, hit songs, consistency, culture impact, international reach, award and recognition, strong fan base, professionalism. So who wanna think get the more, the more points in that situation there. You understand? Cause look here now. Either, cause me can't tell. You understand? An organization them. But you don't know based on this. I think the Gaza people would have a smile right now. You see it? Yeah, man. The Gaza people would have a sign right now. Would have a smile right now, cause them kinda do more in the category them. You see it? So I gotta tell you. So look here now. Either out of Kartel or Masicka. So it's a unique voice or style. I think the two songs with them say last year, we talk about each song. Wow, what them say? White Sun, one of God is the greatest. Unique voice. A two good song them. You see it? Yeah, so you don't know unique voice and style. Yeah, them have them voice. You see me? I will give them that. Alright, good songwriting, scene, and freestyle ability. Yeah. The two of them have that. Catchy melodies. How could I say no? Yeah. I will give them that. Strong delivery and flow. Would I say, alright, Kartel have that. You understand? You don't know him I get older now, so him voice kinda, but he would have tap that. You see me? Ability to perform live. When I lie, we know say Kartel no 200. So would I give Masicka that? You understand? This is my honest opinion, people. You understand? Cause more people understand the situation. Seeing, alright, it songs. Seeing, so look here now. Songs that chart well. Who that chart? I not even know. I don't know who. In a comment, you can tell me people who should I sing them chart well, cause I don't know. You understand? High streams and downloads. What would I say? I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that, but people no can tell me in the comments. You see it? And it says song played on radio. I don't know that either. So uno tell me people, cause uno have to go help me out with this, You see it? Alright, it say songs that go viral. The two of them, yeah, TikTok and yeah, two of them do them thing. You understand? Club, street and sound system hits. Yeah. The two of them do them thing. Seeing? Consistency. Could I say regular release? Alright, would I give that to Masicka? Kartel do release too, Yeah, Kartel do release, but I think the majority of people would have say, God is the greatest. Is it? One song isn't enough. You need. But the two of them release song based on this consistency. The two of them release song, but I guess them would have said Masicka have the song them where people would tune into like that. You understand? But Kartel release music. You don't know a Gaza fan, them will go take up that and run with it. Seeing? Long-term relevance. You don't know Kartel would I get that. Multiple successful project. Based on What would I say now? In another year there. If at 2025 for this, what would I call it? You'd have gay. Cause you have whites. Cause this are the thing, you know, I don't know, sometimes it kinda hard with Masicka thing, because them we say the song a hit, but when him sing it, when him go there in the world, it's like, so it kinda hard to say, yo, you understand? Cause him biggest song for the year was that. You understand? So me not sure. And then grow over time. The two of them. Would that grow over time? You don't know, Kartel would have more different, more longer time. So it's a cultural impact. Represent Caribbean culture globally. Well, that's a Kartel kind of top that still. Kartel would have get that one there. Alright. Influence slang, fashion and lifestyle. Alright, Kartel would have get that. Set trend. Now follow them. Kartel would have get that. Make people proud of their island. Alright, Kartel would have get that. You understand? International reach. You understand? Fans outside the Caribbean. Kartel would have get that. International tours. Yeah, last year Kartel, I'm biggest tour that in them career, so he would have get that one there. So you don't know, Kartel get the whole of category 4. International reach, you don't know. Yeah, he would have get global collaboration. You don't know. I think him do with what you call it, Busta Rhyme, and him would have do the more global collaboration and with my youth, the way Travis Scott. See, so Kartel would have get that. So basically, Kartel get 2 of the category them, 4 and 5. Billboard or international chart presence. Yeah, Kartel would have, you just say Kartel have that. Number 6, award and recognition. Alright, local awards. Local awards. I'm not even. What could I say local awards now? Cause last year, I don't know who get artist of the year last year. Alright, them say Kartel, so local awards. Yeah, Kartel would have top that. See, international nominees, Kartel would have get that. Industry respect, Kartel would have get that. Media recognition, Kartel would have get that. Cause based on that year, that year them do a lot. I think him do a couple interviews and yeah. See, so alright, strong fan base. So look at now, Kartel take over 4, 5, and 6 category. See, him control them there. So look at now, strong fan base, loyal supporters. Kartel would get that. Strong social media following, Kartel would get that. People who show up to shows, Kartel would get that. Real engagement, no fake numbers. Yeah, Kartel would get the numbers. This so professionalism, reliable. Seeing yeah, 2 of them have that. On time. Yeah, 2 of them on time. Easy to work with. Yeah, think 2 of them have that. Business minded, Kartel would get that. And the brand thing, Kartel would get that. So based on that list, yeah. Cause look at people. I work with the listener and what me know. You understand? Me know say the crux they might say something in them feelings. And you don't know. The guys among them maybe some of the thing them maybe say, yo, Kartel get that. You understand? But to me, Kartel have the win over Masicka with this. You understand? Because to be honest, you can't say Kartel get the whole. The reason why Kartel get that year there, brother, we have to just say, yo, the man forward out prison after 13 years. Him do him first global tour in him career. You understand? Arena, one bag of thing and Ray. Yeah, him get one little song, but him do him thing. Them crown him. All of them look a thing there. So it look like don't surprise. Say a Cartel I go get it. Cause me can say last year was Cartel peak. To me, it was last year Cartel peak for him career because him do the tour them. People get to see him perform the song them. All of them something there. You understand? But Masicka do him thing same way, but you know, him never really do enough. You see it. Him get couple song, but the category is not based on just songs alone. You understand? It's not songs alone or how much songs you get. Although it's a music act, there's a lot of categories there where where you can qualify for win it. You understand? So it's a lot of things. Enough time people might say a category award, it consistent a lot of things in it. It's not just hit songs or this. It a lot of things it have to do with, a lot of seem like when I read out here, so you see me? So when don't know any people, I want media facts, So people, tell me in a comment what you think, Yeah man. You understand? Just tell me when in a comment what you think. Some of the info them, I don't really know. You see it, so you can tell me same speed, but people don't know in a one media facts, Yeah man. You don't know a thing said. That is it.